Yate Penichino, Yate Peno. Happy Thursday, Chin. Happy Thursday. Last night, me, my little grandson, not my little grandson, my grandson and I went to the haircutting place. Great clips all down. He wanted a haircut, so when I got there, he said, "Get a haircut too." So I decided to get a haircut. Long overdue, Chin. So I had long hair, so finally got it done and took care of it. So this is the new me for Thursday, Chin. Happy Thursday, Chin. No, everybody have a good day. I'm headed off to work, so feel a lot better now. So I'll see you guys later, Chin. I should have a good day at work anyway. So everybody have a wonderful day at work if you're all working. And everybody that stays home, have a wonderful day at home, Chin. So I'll see you guys later. You know. We are at the house on what Nanit owes back at Cow Springs. We fed the dogs. You know, we're having a pork chop with a shish kebab stuff, cucumbers, mushrooms, bell pepper, red pepper. This looks pretty good, so we're gonna have this for our dinner tonight. So Mama, my wife made fried bread. So yeah, we're just sitting here. We're gonna eat and try and do something here. So it was windy, all the way from Flagstaff to Loop to Oribe to Coal Mine to Tuba City to here. It's still windy. Oh, no. Kind of nice to be home, check on the house, and it's good, so we're gonna eat. So, Ella, we're gonna eat. It is Saturday morning, and it's awful quiet out here. Only one that's making noise is Tonto here. Come here, Tonto. See? The only one that's making noise. It's really nice out here. I don't know if you can see the Big Dipper right there. You got Patch right here, Tonto right here, and you got Two Socks right here. And the mommy's over there at the babysitter's house. So really nice, beautiful, it's quiet. I just only got my oh wow, look at the moon behind the light right there. It's beautiful. You know, I just want to come out here. It's really nice, beautiful. Puppies are with me. Really nice. You know, there's quiet out there. It's all quiet and on the hinge. On that's beautiful. It's good to be out here. It's not windy. Yesterday was windy. Now the wind is calm. So it's nice to be here in Cow Springs, Arizona. Cow Springs. I got my stove going and got fire coming out of the chimney, so it's really good. So I can see the sun's coming up. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's coming up just a little bit. You see the mountains right there, and just a little bit of sunrise light right there. It's really good. So you got the moon right there behind the house, on top of the house. So, really nice. I make coffee. Coffee's going to be good. It's still hot right now, so I'm going to wait. It's got my fog lights coming out. They come on every time I go out, so. Right here's the fire. You got the stove going. really good fire going there. And put up the coffee this morning. Coffee's ready. See, it's hot. It's really good. I'm having some coffee here in a bit. You got a cup, Mama?
Yeah.
You have a cup? I want some coffee. Oh, wait, like this. Mama's wearing these bunny ears, and she's all like an Alaskan native right now. She got like three shirts on, a jacket, 2 pants, 2 socks, and cowboy boots.
Oh, you want a bigger cup or just?
Yeah, I want a bigger cup, huh? I don't want to come back with another coffee. That one better? You want to have some more? Be careful. You got what you need? Oh. A witch now. A witch now. It's hot. Yeah, it's hot. I got it. I can handle this pot right here. Oh. Navajo coffee. It beats Starbucks, you know. This is better than Starbucks. You don't have to add anything. It's just black coffee with nothing. I call this John Wayne coffee. Get my door. Oh shit. Probably get the generator going today because the wife wants to sew, and I'll try and do something here. Okay. Okay. Close this door. This is the door, so.
Just leave it open.
You want to leave it open? It's hot for you? Okay. Well, she. All right then. Okay. Ella, drink coffee. Yate pino, Sabato, the moi, yes. We went to Tuba City. We want to go eat something at Tuba City, so we got hominy stew, 2 fried bread, 2 blue corn mush, and it was good. And then I got this necklace, real nice. It was a good price, so I got it. So spiny oysters with turquoise. So you don't need that necklace. So I'll eat them. We're just here eating. So how many stews and fried bread though? My wife is all eating. She wanted hominy stew, so we left the house this morning so we can get some water. Water though, gas for the generator. We had enough propane already, so we decided just to get gas and for the generators, and I'm gonna get you need gas though. You need water. We needed water, so we got our 15-gallon drum and our 55-gallon drum. So we're gonna get some water after we eat here, get water, and then go to McDonald's, get some hot coffee, and though maybe hit home after that. Maybe we'll see. But blue corn mush was good. Man, oh man, it was good. I had $2 a full cup of blue corn mush. $2. That was a good price. So, and the mutton was hominy was what, 8? 8. The hominy stew was 8 with fried bread, and we ordered another fried bread for myself. So that's what we're doing here. There's a lot of people here at the Tuba City Flea Market on a Saturday, so wind is beginning to pick up. So we only went halfway around. So we're gonna, after we eat, we're gonna finish the rest of the way, and then we'll probably head on out of here. So We already bought quite a bit of fabric. They were pretty good price. One lady was selling it for 50 cents, so which was good. The other one was $2. So we went ahead and just bought some fabric. So she might be able to sew at home. We'll figure that out when we get home. So, so we'll see you guys in a bit here, so, elan. Dinner and medium, what is it, steak?
Steak. You got liver, you got mutton.
Mama eat all liver, all potato, all ba. We're gonna have our little feast here. I want you guys to all share. Wait, you guys share. You guys share. Come on. Wait, you guys share. You first. You're next. No. Wait. Come here, Pat. No. Tonto, come here. Come here. Come here. Wait. Knock it off. You wait. No. No, you wait. You wait. Come here, Tonto. Come on, Tonto. Come on, Tonto. Come on, Tonto. Hako. Wait. No. Only 2 hot dogs at a time. Oh, you already got it? Okay, here, Pat. Now, Tonto. This is the last one we're gonna have. Hako, Tonto. Go. Go. Come here, Tonto. Okay, that's it. No more. You guys be good boys. Ah! You be good boys. You want to smell like a hot dog? No. Smell like a hot dog. Smell like a hot dog too. Good morning, Jeanette. How was the hot dog? Good? Okay. Out there below, everybody out there below. Wind's not blowing, it's a little bit blowing from the north, a little bit, not much. And we're gonna head out of here in a bit. We got a long drive. I'm always thinking of climbing that hill, that mountain right there. So I want to go up there, look from up from there, look down here. So other than that, everything looks good. we're gonna get out of here after we clean up here. So the dogs ate good yesterday all day. They've been eating, and yesterday they had some hot dogs. Friday, Saturday, and today, and got them some chicken. And my daughter came by, and we ate, and leftover food they ate it too, so they're good. So they'll probably run back over to the house here after we go home. So we're gonna stop over there, drop some dog food, and call it a week for us here up north. So, I'll see you guys. Sunday morning, Domingo, the mall. It is 11:30, Tuba City time, Res time 11:30, Valley time 10:30. I'm just watching the wife did hot bah into dumplings. We got this from the flea market just a while ago. Really hot, Jeanette. It's really tasteful, really good. Really good. So we're eating fried bread, coffee, and she's eating dumpling. Really good. From here, we're gonna go back to the valley, and I think we're gonna go towards Oribe, and then go down to Talani Lake to Loop. I think that's where we're going. We wanted to check out the dirt road from Coal Mine to Talani Lake, but I don't have a shovel with me, so it's a risk that we'll be taking if we take that route. So we decided to go almost to Oribe and come on down to Talani Lake to loop to Flag. So Grand Canyon is, I think there's a lot of people over there. So Grand Canyon, from here to Grand Canyon is 1 hour and 42 minutes, Jeanette. But not knowing what the traffic is like, so there's probably a lot of people going that way. So we don't want to be stuck in traffic. So, after she eats here, we're gonna take off, go towards Coal Mine, Oribe, and down to Talani Lake to the Loop, Flagstaff. I'll take some pictures on the way over there. So, see you guys on the road. Yado, we're back home at the valley, Jeanette. I'm just a co-pilot. The boss is driving. I've been driving all day, I'm tired. So. We're back in the valley, we had a good weekend. Went home Friday, and Friday morning we had our meet and greet with Navajo Day in Christ. So we had breakfast with them in Flag. Really nice to see them. I have that on a separate vlog, so it was really good. We like it. So it was short, but it was sweet, and it was beautiful. So got to meet the family, Noah and Damien, Della, and Dwayne. So I even got to meet Doobie the dog. That was great. We both liked that dog, so it was kind of neat. So we had a fun day with them, so that was good. So we went home, went to Calm Springs, we ate, and it was kind of chilly. We had the fire stove going, and yesterday we went to Tuba. We got some water, we got some gas for the generator, and we got some coal for the stove, so to keep us warm. So it was kind of nippy last night. So everything went well, and we took the road back to Coal Mine to Oribe, into Loop to Flagstaff. That was a long drive, so we're not used to that. So, but when we got home, my sister called me. My sister texted me, and said the road was reopened. So It was okay though. We made it home early, so. Auto this weekend, Jeanette, the 30th of April. This weekend, Jeanette, the boss wants to make an announcement. She wants to sell in not Albuquerque. What am I saying? Sell in G-Town, Jeanette. I think they call G-Town Gallup. So we'll be in Gallup this weekend, Jeanette. So if you guys want to go out there and give us a shout, meet us, we'll be there in Gallup. And unless if something happens really bad like Friday, it was really windy, really nasty, dirt everywhere. So if that happens, we'll call it off. But other than that, she wants to go and she wants to have fun over there and meet you guys again. And she made some more aprons, and I think she's working on some more skirts. So that's what we're gonna do this weekend, you know. So in the meantime, it was a good weekend for us, and thank you for all you folks and my subscribers watching us, new subscribers watching us, and thank you all the subscribers. I think we're almost at 2,800 subscribers as of today. So I only got like a couple more, I think, to be at 2,800. So we're really happy. We're excited. 2,800 is a lot. So for us, it is. So I remember that day when we first started, we went to Vegas, we only had 3 subscribers. Right now we're at 2,800. It's really good to see that number. So keep it going. So I'd like everybody to share our vlogs with your family. Just subscribe, hit the like button, comment if you want to. I always comment back, so try not to leave anybody out. So that I know that when you guys make a comment, that tells you that I watch all the comments. So in the meantime, everybody have a wonderful week working. I'll be working tomorrow all week. So the wife will be sewing all week. So hopefully we see you guys in Gallup. So I shall see you guys next time. Thank you. Yeah. I'll see you guys.